Hi Valentin. So here I've just cleared my cache and I'm in working out of Firefox, which I barely use, but cache was cleared. Here, project name, PO number, okay, exact quantities. I need a specific delivery date, 328. Skip taxes. Update cart. Okay, so let's update the cart. Choose a file. Here's my tax permit. Proceed. Okay, update cart. As soon as I hit update, the file is going to disappear. Choose a file. So, please, I am making these videos, but it looks like no one's actually looking at the specific order that I'm doing the videos. This is still disappearing, so I cannot continue to the next step until this works, because one of the open tasks that I want to check is the actual tax file in the XML file. So yeah, please let me know if this can be omitted from the update cart. Thank you.